In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of a unit rate and how to find it. So first of all, a rate is just something like miles per gallon. So it's two different units. You're making a ratio of two different units. So it costs $53.06 to fill up my 14-gallon gas tank. So I can make a ratio or a rate by writing it like this. So $53.06 over 14 gallons. So that's an example of a rate. A unit rate is when you have a 1 in the denominator. So you're actually going to divide this out. So $53.06 divided by 14 gets you $3.79. So when you divide, you get $3.79 per gallon. And that means per 1 gallon. So you don't say per 1 gallon. It's understood. So the denominator is 1. If I wrote this as a fraction, which would be a rate, it would look like that. And since it's 1 on the bottom, you usually just say like $3.79 per gallon. That's a unit rate because the denominator is 1. Let's look at number 2. Janet earned $490 on her last paycheck before taxes, for which she worked 35 hours. What is her hourly pay? So you can make a rate. That would be $490 for 35 hours of work. But often you want the unit rate. You want how much money does she make per 1 hour, right? So we would do $490 divided by 35, and we would get 14. So $14 per hour. So what's in red here is the rate. That's just a rate. What's in blue is the unit rate because it's per 1 hour. Another common way to look at unit rates if you're comparing prices. So I'm comparing prices of diapers at Sam's Club versus Walmart, and I want to see which one is the better buy. So I can get 156 diapers for $46.98, or I can get 144 diapers for $45. Which one is the better buy? So generally you want to know, like in the last example, dollars per hour, or in the first example, dollars per gallon. So the money is on top. So don't let the order of these confuse you. You want to know the dollars per diaper. So for Sam's Club, my rate is $46.98 for 156 diapers. For Walmart, my rate is $45 for 144 diapers. So if I know the unit cost, in other words, how much it costs per diaper, I can compare those two and see which one would be the better buy. So $46.98 divided by 156, and I get 0.30115385. So since this is money, I would really want to round to the nearest cent. So this would be about 30 cents per diaper. Okay, if I'm looking at the Walmart price, it's $45 for 144 diapers. That gets me 0.3125. So that's approximately 31 cents per diaper. So if you're comparing the two unit rates, 30 cents per diaper or 31 cents per diaper, It's not much, but I mean, if you're using hundreds of diapers, it does make a little bit of a difference. So you would say that the better buy would be the Sam's Club because it's 1 cent per diaper cheaper.